Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Anthony at Cornerstone Chiropractic in Pasadena, California. Right now we're going to illustrate a cervical adjustment. Lately we've been seeing a lot of patients that are coming in with what's called a spastic torticollis, when the muscles in the neck become inflamed and tightened because there's a joint out of place. So what we do, we feel the cervical spine and we're feeling for joints that are out of place. In this case, Daisy, her atlas is shifted over to the left. So we contact the joint that's stuck and take it to its end range of motion. We're going to push through it, putting that joint back in motion, and it allows pressure to be taken off the nerves and allows the muscles to eventually calm down.
Wow.
And that was it.